afternoon, guys. Let me take my headphones. Good afternoon, everybody. Look what I got. Why do I have this CD? Well, because I ordered it. You got the songs right there, too. It mixes of 1981. Vexillology, the whole album. I love Vexillology so much. Doing it with one hand is so hard. Okay. So, I did on an unboxing video of Mountain Text 2K11 Toronto. If you want to see it. And, come on. Go to the left part. When I saw this on Amazon, I was really thinking I had to get it. Doing it with one hand is so hard. Sealed this boy so rough. I got it. Come on. Can't take this wrapper off. Here it is. deadmau5 Full Circle and Vexillology. I'll read off the songs for you guys. Disc 1 for Full Circle. Focus. There we go. Turning Point, Mr. G, 1981 MK and minimal remixes. Psychedelic, Redundancy, Templar, and Suffer. Disc 2, the whole album. 1981 Bounce, Dr. Funkenstein. How does this swap about word? Buster Clock, Gaia, Orca, Plus, Apply Overnight, TL7, and Intrepid. Let's open this up. Got the whole mouse head. And the 2 CDs are in here. It's all correct. Turning Point. Yep. It's by Joel Zimmerman, the mouse himself. Next 2. Yeah. Vexillology. The Vexillology disc. All of them were written by Joel Zimmerman. The mouse himself. Simply like while one is listening to it with a 2-disc thing. It's like a mousetrap release cover. And here it is. My God, I can't believe it. I feel like I'm dreaming. It is Vexillology and Full Circle. See ya, bye.